there any one message that you want people who are listening to this, be it clients, be it future RMs, be it current leaders, to take away from your philosophy to work, your philosophy to life?
I think that, we are in this business of wealth creation. And there's a huge focus on creating a wealth. I think all of us also need to pay equal amount of energy and time and thought of how to utilize that wealth, right? And we need to have, as I call, guiltless consumption. I think we need to make sure that whatever our aspirations are to give to our children, that should be taken care of before. Then for the balance, I think that we need to up the ante of our responsibility to society.
Sure.
Yeah. And find ways and means of making it happen than to hide behind a simple statement, I want to do it, but pata nahi, wo paisa wo theek hai, वो ठीक करेगा, वो नहीं करेगा, वो पैसा लेके भाग जाएगा. So I think if we say that, hey, I am going to find something, then I will do find. But so I want all my friends to energize themselves in the area of giving more than what they have thus far done.